Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss multiplication of numbers starting with 1. Multiplication of numbers starting with 1. For example, you see here 13 into 15, 14 into 15, 19 into 18, 19 into 15. See here, the numbers are starting with 1. 13 and 15 starting with 1. 14 and 15 starting with 1. 19 and 18 starting with 1. 19 and 15 are starting with 1. So, how to do the multiplication of these numbers which are starting with 1? For example, 13 into 15. We have to do 13 into 15. Both the numbers are starting with 1. So, in the first step, 1 into 1. 1 into 1. That will give you again 1. That is the first part. Now, 3 plus 5. In the middle, addition of these two numbers. 3 plus 5. That will give you 8. In the last, 3 into 5. 3 into 5. That will give you 15. Now we will write the final answer. 15 means 5. 1 will be carry forward. So, 8 plus 1, it becomes 9. Again, last we have 1. The answer is 195. The answer is 195. Again, I will repeat. 1 into 1 will become 1. 3 plus 5 become 8 in the middle. 3 into 5 become 15. So now, with the help of this, we will write the final answer. First, we will take 1's digit 5 here. 1 will be carry forward. 8 plus 1 become 9. Again, this 1 is there. That 1 we will write here. It is, the answer is 195. Now we will see one more question. 14 into 15. 14 into 15. 14 into 15. 1 into 1. 1. In the middle, 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. It becomes 9. In the last multiplication of the 1's digit. 4 5s are 20. Now we will write the final answer. 0. 2 carry forward. 9 plus 2 become 11. 11 means 1 here. Again 1 carry forward. 1 plus 1 become 2. 210. 210. So this is the way we can do the answer very simple and easy manner. Simply 1 into 1 become 1. In the middle, 4 plus 5 addition of numbers, that will give you 9. In the last, 4 into 5, it become 20. See here, 0, 2 will carry forward. 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 here, 1 carry forward. 1 plus 1, 2. 210. Next, one more question. (19) and 18. What is the first step? You have to multiply 1 into 1. Next, in the middle, we should add these two. 9 plus 8, it becomes 17. In the last, 9 into 8, 72. Middle's addition, last multiplication of the digits. Now we will write the final answer. Whenever we have a 2-digit number, first we write 1's place value here. We will take the 10's digit to carry forward. So that is 17 plus 7. It becomes 24. Again 4 here, 2 carry forward. 1 plus 2 become 3. 342. This is the way we can do multiplication very simple manner. Next question. 19 into 15. Guess the answer. Try to do the answer in the mind. First term, 1 into 1, 1. Next, 9 plus 5, 14. 9 into 5, 45. Now, we will write the final answer. 5 here. 14 plus 4, it becomes 18. 8 here, 1 carry forward. 1 plus 1, 2. 285. This is the way we can write multiplication of two-digit number which starts from 1.